This is the hack squat, my favorite exercise to build up the legs. Before I get started with the setup, just pay attention to the depth at the very bottom and also the controlled eccentric as I go down. The reason why I love the hack squat is because it allows you to get closer to failure than a barbell back squat would, and it also allows you to get more depth, more bend at the knee, more stretch on those quadriceps than a barbell back squat as well. Since you probably noticed it by now, let's talk about those yoga blocks that I have on the machine. I'm trying to achieve the maximum depth possible on this exercise, so by putting the yoga blocks underneath those foam pads, I'm able to go further down and not hit the bottom of the tracks and stop myself before getting the full depth. I'd really recommend getting yourself a pair to get the full depth. Especially if you're a short individual, you're more likely to run into the issue of hitting the bottom of the track system before you hit the full depth. Right now, doing these on my glute focus days, so I have those feet up high towards the top of the platform. That way I'm able to get more stretch on the glutes at the bottom. However, for more of the quads, you're going to put it in the center or towards the bottom half of that platform to get a little bit more knee flexion. For those feet, place them anywhere between shoulder width apart to hip width apart, or the same stance as you would do a back squat with the barbell. Also have those toes pointed slightly outwards, that way you're able to push those knees open as you're going down and stacking those joints, as well as helping you maintain contact with the back with the backrest. Once you have those feet in place, squeeze that core and unrack the weight. Unrack the safety bars on the machine that I'm using right here. I'm just pulling those handles towards the center to unlock the mechanism. Your machine might be different, but make sure you are not accidentally unracking those safety bars in the middle of the movement. For bracing, treat this just like a regular back squat. As you're going down, inhale, push that breath into the stomach, and squeeze that midsection. As you're going up, push those feet through the platform, squeeze that core, and exhale at the top. If you feel really lightheaded at the end of the exercise, it likely means you are not breathing properly. Make sure you are controlling that eccentric 3 to 4 seconds on that way down. Make sure you're not just riding that way down. Make sure you're actively pushing down into the platform and getting some tension on the quads. Trust me, it makes a big difference. If you're pushing down on that platform, it's going to get you a lot better burn of the quads. At the top, it's okay to lock out those legs, but make sure you're not pushing those knees back. If you feel those heels coming up a lot as you're going down, imagine like you're lifting up those toes to help you put more weight on the heels and keep them in contact with the platform. We're trying to maximize the bend at the knee, so make sure that you are going as deep as you can and maintaining the back on the backrest. Now in a hack squat, you're going to be able to push yourself a lot harder than you might realize. Halfway to 3/4 into the set, you're going to feel like those legs are burning and you can't get any more reps out. However, 9 times out of 10, you're going to be able to push yourself a lot harder than you think and get all the reps out of the set. You'll know you actually reach true failure when the speed on the way up during that concentric is noticeably slower than the rep before. Also, to help ensure that I reach complete failure, on the last rep, I like to take it as slow as I possibly can, getting a good pause at the bottom. That way, on that way up, I see a noticeable difference of speed on the concentric. Since you're able to push yourself a lot harder and get closer to failure than you would a regular barbell back squat, you might also need to increase your rest periods between your sets. Let's grow those legs, and you know what to do. Like and subscribe, please.